Good morning, Legion. It's Monday, less than a month until NearCon, and also the same week as the Eco Collab call, featuring a new team in the Near ecosystem, the Near marketing team part 2, and some governance-related announcements important from the House of Stake. For our stories, let's get right into it. It's safe to say that Clawdbot has taken AI Twitter by storm. Developed by Peter Steinberger, Clawdbot is a local AI agent that connects through apps like WhatsApp or Slack using models like Claude or GPT to manage calendars, control browsers, and execute shell commands via an extensible skills system. Its GitHub repository hit over 35,000 stars after demos showed it automating YouTube scripts and newsletters, with fans like Alex Finn calling it the best AI application yet. There's a full 27-minute video breakdown from Alex Finn linked in the comments below, but more importantly, here are 2 articles that are important to read before you try deploying your own Clawdbot. It might not be as safe as people think. One is called, I spent 40 hours researching Clawdbot, here's what they're not telling you. The other is called, Hacking Clawdbot and Eating Lobster Souls. Happy reading and stay safe, everybody. Our last story today, since Davos ended last week, there was a great panel called The Day After AGI. The founder of Anthropic, Dario Amodei, believes changes will occur within a few years and not decades. He reaffirmed his earlier prediction that AGI will emerge by 2026 or 2027, and he further speculated that up to half of entry-level professional positions could disappear within the next 5 to 10 years. Happy Monday, folks. We do have some Legion events this weekend, but more on that tomorrow.